Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to turn a Figma design into a working application without writing a single line of code and with just a few clicks. All you need is a Figma account, a design you want to build, and cursor as your ID. We'll be using MCP Server provided by framelink.ai to make this happen. For those who aren't familiar with MCP, it is pretty simple. It stands for Model Context Protocol. It basically lets our AI models to connect with the tools, pull the data, or even perform some actions. It helps them interact with the world around them in a pretty smarter way. Alright then, let's jump in and start converting our Figma design. If you have an existing Figma design, you can use that. Or if you don't have a Figma account, you can start by creating one. You can get multiple free existing templates for your dashboard. I will be providing one in the description for you. Let's go to our Figma account, and under your profile section, you'll find settings. Go to the security, and here you can see there's a personal access token. I have created one before. If you don't have, you can generate a new one, and you can name it anything, whatever you wish to. For permissions, click on File, Content Permissions, and provide the read-only access, and you can generate the token. Once you generate the token, you will get some, access token. Of course, you have to copy paste it and keep it securely because that's what we are going to need to integrate our MCP server. I have copied it. Now, once you get your access token, Figma access token, go to framelink.ai. Then you can click on Quick Start, and here you can see there is an MCP server that's going to help us integrate our Figma. If you're a Mac OS user, you can use this one, or you can use this Windows one. I will copy this. This is a JSON configuration for your MCP server. All you need to do is, after copying that, you need to go in your cursor. This is my cursor. I have opened just a simple file, and let me go to the settings. Here you'll find MCP option. You can add, for me, I have added already, but for you, you can simply paste it, and the API key that you have copied, you need to paste it here. Once you paste it, see, my API key looks something like this. Of course, I'm going to delete it later on, but for now, my MCP server is configured, and since you go back, you see this green, your server is on. Now, this is a Figma design I'm going to use to build the application. This is a basic dashboard here, and I'm going to select this entire thing. I'm going to copy link to selection. Now I've copied the link of this frame. I'll go back to my cursor, and I'll simply open the chat window, and I will paste this link, and I'll give an instruction or a command. Please create a dashboard out of this link by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Make it functional. Use get node for Figma. Yeah. I'll hit send, and one more thing. While using cursor, you need to select the agent mode. Then it's going to create the file on its own instead of you having to, every time accept all the changes and manually create the files. So it is trying to get the access. It already started to create the code for me, and I can sit back. Let's see how it turns out. I hope it gets each and every asset, color, everything. Let's see, what did it create? It created HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. Let me open it. Wow, this is pretty cool. It gave me, see, the search functionality is working, the pagination is working, the pagination isn't. But yeah, see, the sort is working. Most of the things are working, and you can see the resemblance. This is the design, and this is what our MCP gave us. It is pretty easy, right? You can play around with it. You can ask it to have your own. I mean, if you have any images, you can ask it to have or download those assets. You can also create, this was a simple example where I have used just HTML, CSS, and plain JavaScript, but you can also create your applications in Angular, React, or Vue and play around with it. And this is how we created our application, a working application, using just a Figma link and within just 2 simple commands, right? So I hope it helps. If you like this video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See ya.